These Hoover Platinum stick vacuums work great until they get clogged. In this video, I'll show you what it takes to unclog even the worst clogs. This vacuum sucked up a sock clip, so you can imagine how clogged it really was. Well, let's get started. First, push this silver button and the bottom just snaps right off. Most of the time, it's going to clog in this lower section. So you're going to need to take out these 7 screws on the bottom to access the brush. So go ahead and grab a Phillips screwdriver and take out these screws. They're a little small, so make sure you don't lose them. Now once you got the screws off, go ahead and snap this plate off so you can access the brush. The brush just pulls right out, but it won't come all the way out because the belt is attached to it. Notice this little notch here? That has to go down when you reassemble it. Down in this hole right here is where I found that sock clip. So I just used needle nose pliers and screwdrivers, whatever it takes to reach in and grab all this junk out of here. Obviously, with all this junk in here, it's not gonna have any suction at all. I found this vacuum at the thrift store for about 10 bucks. All it needed was a good cleaning. Now, once the vacuum could breathe again, it worked great. So once you have everything all cleaned up, go ahead and take that notch and press it straight down. And do the same thing to the other side. Once you have it all snapped together, check the brush and everything should just move this smooth. Also check the belt to make sure it's in good shape. Now just put the plate back on and then take these little screws and put these 7 screws back into place. I usually start them all by hand and then go around with the screwdriver at the end. Once you have the back plate on, take a pair of pliers and just make sure that these rollers are all clean of debris. Needle nose pliers work really good. Just take your time with it. Now that we have the bottom half all cleaned up, let's go ahead and clean up the canister. Aside from just emptying it, this HEPA filter can be pulled out and then rinsed off in the sink. Just squeeze it out, let it dry for a day, it'll be good. Now that we have it all cleaned up, we're gonna reassemble it. Make sure the electrical contacts connect and snap it in. When you're ready to vacuum, put your foot on the base and just pull it back. I like how it swivels. I like how it gets under tight spots. Nice little vacuum. I also like how you can just see if it's full just by looking at it. I can't stand changing bags. Money by the pound. I like that you can just dump it out and start again or clean the HEPA filter without having to buy new bags or new filters. I actually like the cord because you never have to worry about a dead battery. The vacuum's got 2 settings. One for a hard floor where the brushes don't move, and another setting for carpet where the brushes do move. Of course, this is my favorite feature. I just simply snap it out, take it outside, and dump it out. I do like how easy it goes on and off. Just roll up the cord, you're done. Well, I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.